الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Al-Quran, Chapter 2, Verse 245 من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا فيضاعفه له أضعافا كثيرة. Who is he that may lend God a good loan, Qarz-i hasana, so that he may multiply it for him manyfold? Unquote. Ya Ali Madad, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. This Quranic verse implies that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants believers to give some of their wealth as a good loan, Qarz-i hasana, and in exchange He promises to bestow blessings and mercy in this life and the hereafter. However, it is important to note that God does not directly take any material possessions except through His Prophet and the true Imams from the Holy Prophet's pure progeny. What is the difference between Sadaqah or Zakat, Qarz-i hasana, and Infaq? All of these are different forms of sacrifices of wealth mentioned in the Holy Quran. Qarz-i hasana, or the good loan, is the Mehmani or offerings for barakah. Sadaqah and Zakat are used synonymously in the Holy Quran, also known as Dasond, is the obligatory religious dues, but not to be confused with the poor alms. It is the 12.5% of the total income, that is 10% for the Imam or Shah and 2.5% for the Pir. The purposes, as mentioned in the Holy Quran, are purification and barakah, and also for the peace of heart through the prayers of the Imam of the time. Infaq, mentioned 57 times in different forms in the Holy Quran, is the donation, charity, or poor alms. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.